Turbines Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, I challenge you to build a wind turbine or windmill. A windmill or wind turbine is a structure that uses vanes, also called sails or blades, to catch the wind. The wind pushes the vanes or the sails and creates a rotational energy that can be used to make electricity, to move water, or to grind grain. Take a look at these real-life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you could use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're exploring drills. There are many different kinds of drills. This drill is used for drilling a hole right into wood. This impact driver screws a screw into the wood, much like a screwdriver, except that while screwdrivers are muscle-powered, drills are battery-operated. Drills have interchangeable pieces. They're called drill bits. That means that they can be taken out of the drill, like this, and put back in. This allows whoever's using the drill to use different sizes that'll work for their job. You would use a drill instead of a screwdriver for bigger, more complex jobs like building a house, a deck, or putting up a fence. When you're using a drill, you line up the bit with the place you'd like to put the hole. You hold down whatever you're using and make sure all of your fingers are out of the way. Then, you just pull the trigger. And voila, I've drilled a hole. When using an impact driver to screw in a screw, you line up the bit with the head of the screw, just like you would with a screwdriver. Then, just like with the regular drill, you pull the trigger. And voila, I've screwed in my screw. A lot easier than using a screwdriver. Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@gravenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new weekly videos. As always, Gravenhurst, I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.